if you're in your Wing Chun stance, if you're in this, which of course, in reality, you never will be. I get that. The idea is that if you're in the Wing Chun stance, you're already in the fight, you guys. This isn't a pre-fight stance. That's an error. This is not designed, I'm going to be here before I engage. Are you kidding me? I think about bringing my knees to right here. So yeah, they are going inward because I'm angled inward, but I'm going forward. So if I'm locking out my knees, looking really stupid here, I don't think about bringing my knees together. This looks, if you do that, your ass tends to poke out, and you're not a nothing. This isn't about breaking coconuts with your crotch. Okay? Rather, I think I'm up high here, and I come forward. Like I'm just dying to bring my knees forward out here. So if you take an imaginary triangle, so it's called, that's why the feet are at 60 degrees. It's 360s is 180, and that's an equilateral triangle. Okay? So if you draw a line between my heels, and then an imaginary line out, where those two lines intersect, that's where my knees are trying to go. You want to think of it as you've drawn a bow. Just let go. Yeah, that's what this is. So you're here, and when you let go of one of those knees, boom, so you're already, it's a preloaded stance. Does that make sense?